there is no question you shouldn't have a credit card. So I would say spend wisely, but spend on your credit card. Hi guys, I'm Ashita Arora. I lead the assets business for 811. My credit card for everything. I do my shopping on it, I do my groceries on it, I pay my rent through that, I pay my insurance through the credit card. Everything. I want to maximize my points on the card. My credit score, let's say it's high. It's high and I get a pay later offer everywhere I shop. Smart asset. The biggest myth I think would be that shopping on credit cards is expensive, because that's not the truth. The fact is that if you shop on a credit card, you get 45 days of credit-free period if you pay within the statement date. In case you are not able to pay within the statement date, you can request and convert this amount into a loan which is charged at a nominal interest rate. So it is not expensive. Shopping on credit card is not expensive. That would be the first and foremost data orientation, problem solving skill, and general knowledge of the industry and the business.